Here we are today at Alder Children's Hospital in Liverpool for our IET Faraday Challenge National Final. First time we've been able to run this national final for 2 years, so we're absolutely thrilled to be back.
So the challenge is about making something for a children's hospital which could help patients, relatives, people involved with the hospital and help them feel more secure, more comfortable within the children's hospital. One of the things that we've loved about this season is it's a very broad brief, but also it's something that many children have got some kind of connection with.
After taking part on the Faraday Day, I would definitely consider being an engineer or going into the industry.
Like since the first day that we'd done it, it's been like, should I go into physics? Like what opportunities are there that would involve engineering and hospitals and children?
I would certainly encourage any school to take part. I just think it's, what have you got to lose by doing it? And you've got everything to gain by encouraging your students to get involved in STEM.
The Faraday Challenge here today has just been fantastic, and IHEEM have been extremely proud to sponsor the IET Faraday Challenge Days this year. Over 160 schools across the UK. To get to today with these 5 leaders, to see the buzz, to feel the buzz, to hear the buzz in the room, it's just been fantastic.
I think it's really important for children to take part of events like this. I mean, I didn't know what I wanted to do when I was their age, and I think it's fundamental as part of that process.
The IET is fully committed to really making STEM enrichment programmes accessible to everyone. Hard to reach schools, private schools, public schools. It's about that enthusiasm for engineering, and I'm very proud that we're fully committed to delivering that for our engineering community.
I think it's not just about how much you know and about what you can make, it's about actually why you're making it and how is this going to benefit people. And it's not all about just the engineering aspects, it's about why is it important.
It's motivational to be actually doing hands-on real engineering and creativity, and it can inspire and spark that desire for a great future in the area of engineering. So I would say to industry, it's in your interest to get involved, and I would say to schools, open the doors, invite them in, get together and put together opportunities like this. And I'd just like to thank the Institution of Engineering and Technology for leading on this, and we want to see even more of it in the future.